Session 42 of Unit 4 of Taxation of 5th semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about the tax credit under section 115 JAA. Learning objective is to understand the computation of tax credit. Students should be able to understand the computation of tax credit. The content of this session is tax credit in respect of tax paid on deemed income of certain companies or tax credit in respect of minimum alternative tax on certain companies. In the previous session, we have studied the provisions governing computation of book profit. Tax credit, section 115 JAA, where minimum alternate tax is paid by a company for the assessment year 2006-7 or any subsequent assessment year under section 115 JB, a tax credit will be allowed to it in subsequent years. The tax credit shall be the difference between the tax paid under minimum alternate tax and the tax payable on the total income computed under other provisions of the Act. Suppose tax payable on total income is rupees 20,000 and tax has been paid under MAT rupees 50,000. The tax credit will be allowed 50,000 minus 20,000, so it is 30,000 rupees. The tax credit will be allowed to be carried forward for a maximum of 15 assessment years succeeding the assessment year in which the credit becomes allowable. Suppose credit is allowable in the assessment year 2018-19, it can be carried forward and set off up to the assessment year 2033-34. The tax credit will be allowed in the year in which the tax payable on total income is more than the tax payable under MAT. The set-off will be allowed to the extent of an amount equal to the difference between the tax payable on the total income and the tax payable under minimum alternate tax. Suppose brought forward tax credit is rupees 40,000. The tax payable on total income is 1 lakh and tax payable under minimum alternate tax is 80,000. Then rupees 20,000 can be set off this year and the company will pay rupees 80,000 only. No interest shall be payable on tax credit, where as a result of assessment, reassessment, rectification of mistake, settlement, appeal or revision, the amount of tax payable is reduced or increased, the amount of tax credit shall also be increased or reduced accordingly. Where a private company or unlisted public company is converted into a limited liability partnership, the benefit of tax credit shall not be available to the successor limited liability partnership. The provisions of this section shall not apply to a domestic company paying tax under section 115 BAA. These are the references.